Hey guys, I am back today with Peel Eze, which is a peel-off base coat from IMK. And I actually had one of my viewers ask me about this and how it stacked up with some other peel-off base coats that I've tried recently. So I'm going to test it out for you and see what I think. First, let's see how it applies. Alright, so it's clear. And it is it's not thick at all. It's very very thin, and it goes on very easily. So I'm gonna guess that the dry time is quick on this. Okay, I'm fully dry. It took about 3 minutes for the Peel Eze to fully dry. It took about 9 minutes for the Hit the Bottle polish to dry. Okay, so I've worn this for a day, and while there is a little bit of chipping, I made 2 batches of jam, cooked dinner, and then baked 2 batches of scones. So this is actually remarkably little chipping. So I actually give them high marks for that, for the durability. Now let's see how it removes. Now this is, okay, I was going to say this is a cream, so we might not expect too much because with creams it can be a little harder than with glitters, but I think we can agree that one just came off perfectly. So great job after 24 hours. Alright, so I've had this on for 2 days. And we're going to see how it comes off. And this is the perfect peel. Look at that. Alright, so let's do day 3 here and see how this peels off with day 3. Okay, so this is not peeling off in quite one piece, but pretty much, give or take. I mean, that almost pretty much came off in one peel. Okay, I did not film on day 4 because on day 4 this one popped off by itself, and if I am remembering correctly, day 4 is the same day that I had a self popper from Hit the Bottle too. So anyway, today is day 5, so let's see how we do with the glitters on day 5. And this is coming on in. It does feel like a little bit more crunchy, but look at that. Once I get past the edges, popped fully off all by itself. All right, now this popped off this morning, this half. So day 5, that popped off half of it. Let's see about the rest of it. And yeah, that comes off beautifully. So with glitter, I think Peel Eze is extremely peelable. Definitely am loving it. So I am now going to do a long-term test under creams. Hey guys, okay, so this is a cream. I had some 3D nail art on here and that might have interfered, so let's see. I don't think it will. So this is day 2 of with creams and Peel Eze. And even with the 3D nail art, looking good. Alright, okay, this is day 3 with the cream, so we are going to see how this does with day 3. And again, pretty cool, pretty easy. Alright, I'll be back for day 4. Alright, so we're back. It's day 4, so let's see how this does on day 4. Alright, this is getting up. Wait, I was just about to say it might be getting a little bit crispy, but look at that. Comes right off. And let's go ahead and try this one out as well. This is a shimmery mix shimmer. And see if we can get it started here. I had the 3D art on that, so that kind of bit into it a little bit, but look at that, still peeling off. Alright, here it is, day 5. Let's see how we do. So, just a reminder, this is a cream, and that is what we call a full peel. Okay, so I reviewed this because a viewer wanted to know how it compared to some of the other top coats that I have recently reviewed, particularly how it compares with Hit the Bottle polish, keeping it peel. I'm very loyal to Hit the Bottle polish. I think she makes really excellent products, and I do think this is one. But I have to say that I think Peel Eze edges this out a little bit, and I think that there are two main reasons for this. First, this peels a little faster and a little longer than Hit the Bottle. Second, for me, in my climate, Hit the Bottle takes a while longer to dry. And that, especially as a swatcher, somebody who's doing swatch after swatch after swatch, that makes a difference. So basically, I think these are both really great options. And, you know, if you can't get one but can get the other, you know, or vice versa, wherever you live, I think, you know, you're going to be fine. I think they both actually work pretty darn well. And with respect to how well they peel, how long they last, I think they're both excellent and you can't go wrong. This is $5 US for 10 milliliters, and this is $9.99 for 12 milliliters, so a little bit more, but not twice as much more. So this is actually also a little bit more economical. If you can't get Peel Eze where you are, Hit the Bottle is going to be really great. If you can't get Hit the Bottle where you are, Peel Eze is going to be really great. I hope that was helpful, and thank you to the viewer who asked me to do this. I really appreciate that, and I will talk to you soon.